Hello everyone, welcome to Offbeat Reels again. And
It's been quite 2 weeks. I haven't put any videos because I was busy with Diwali and Durga Puja. Or finally, I have decided to release a video, and it's about this Headlight X. So आप लोगों ने देखा होगा ये caferacer's में लगते हैं, and this is basically for 7-inch round headlights for all the caferacer's. ये हिमालयन में लग जाता है, क्लासिक 350 पे लग जाता है, and it is made of steel painted as matte black. काफी rigid है, and yeah, I like the quality. And ये रहा इसके दो क्लैंप ब्रैकेट तो दोनों साइड में लगते हैं हेडलाइट के, और इसमें ये ऐसे लगेंगे, लाइक ये ऐसे लगेंगे. और by the side I read my comments, and in the comment section a lot of people ask what I did to my bike. मैं अपने बाइक के मॉडिफिकेशन के लिए क्या किया हुआ है. So इस वीडियो में सारा डिटेल्स with product links of Amazon और Flipkart सभी रहेगा इस वीडियो में. So if you find this product on Amazon, just go for it. It's pretty good and it's pretty rigid and it's pretty solid. मतलब काफी hard है ये, and it's not bendable also. I mean, go for it, guys. So now it's time to go to the shop and let's go and do the installation. See you. Your feedbacks are important to me. Feel free to write it to me in my comment section if you guys have some outstanding modification ideas. Please keep supporting my work and my channel.